aho butikirizana omumakagabo ebi bibireho mu cyare cya Kakono yo kubanza umugomboro ya Nyakiyumbu district in Kasese.
Oyisirwe ne Night Maska owe myaka 50 yo bukuru kandi we no mushija w'umwisire babire binabana mwenda okurugera hari tayi Ramadan or divisional police commander wa Bwera okwitwa ko mukazogu kurugirira habutabanko bwo maka.
Retired police officer we found out that there was a murder and we realized that it is a domestic violence which had been in this family.
DPC nashobora ngo bwanyuma yo butabanguko kubaho umugenzi akataho wabo konka kwagarukire kwakira ibintu bye nukwe kumwita.
She came back to come and pick a few of her things. She came, she found the husband at home. She greeted the husband and entered the bedroom to pick a few of her belongings. So when the husband realized that she's packing some things in the house, he went inside to lock the door, and that's where the scuffle happened.
Matabano w'umugenzi nagira ngo nawatungira kumanyisubwa konka kagire kushikayo yashanganye na bamwisire.
Nje muganga no mwanyumba ngamo mwana kamberekerako. Tebano wangu eka baba kita ya mama naryo namana ngatobet namasangana abantu babirusula mwadirisa bane mulebya
mwasi muyiwe emuli anamba eikamutera obulesa saha inabe handikayo omama no omukali amarondi wa mundu amamubwera ati akolechi amulebereya esimweyo amabyakale byayo ini murume.
Polisi yajumerera kikorwa cyo kwatira amateko mu ngaro icyargereramo kutwarwa kwa magara y'umuntu.
We might, as human beings, we might have differences between ourselves, but the best way to do them is always to sit down. You can bring to the authorities, and it is handled. You are at least given a hearing. We have an office.
Polisi tuyirombera umugenzi kuceberwa kandi kwa Serena kwita gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.
Tugumiza mu Agacencwire abaturabe cange ca Runyenya na Rushejenyi umurima yanga Mitoma binakamwenya amatama bwanyuma yo kutunga rutindo rusya okuruga omunyambabazi Habati asimwe banyanga orutindo rumazira myaka 50 rutakakorwaga.
Orutindo rugombekerwa muri ruhinde y'amashuma kandi abaturani bagira ngo babire baherize imyaka mingi bari kubonabona. Chairman w'entebe yakashatu habwe gomborra y'amayanga Lawrence Karwani nagira ngo nke gomborra bashemerirwe munonga ahabo kuba orutindo rukaba rutwire rubaremere kora emyaka yone hingwire.
Ekinte kirukurema government omuntu akakikora wenka nkikusimira kuri omuntu wa government omuntu urwo rutindo batere nduru bakabarya bashira bamani bakahinda bine ebitumo by'esente bakaremwa konkiwe ningira bakutera umungara cyo batukore
abakwa ninchimanya ngo kuno bahinga umwani bubire nukubanza motoke boje kwihayo ebitawo mukigandari hatobona kupacha hatumwena akakasenda kabire nakagwiha kuri yakutaho mukigandari twaza kasevinga hatobona kasente ko kuzomwirwara.
Umunyambabazi Habati asimwe banyanga tugambireho na wahanshongeji.
Numwendo ruguto numwendo rutindo nondo kuzomwirwara bakashanga mu mbazi no yenda nishomero ebinde byasigara no basa kubyesya.
Tukumiza mutu kusima Habati banyanga akatukorera amiza ifaya gataho mugano.
Abashiraha kwigura rutindoru basimira umurimo gukozerwe.
Shanga turonda bebemezi kungocheza kumulonda agenda azo program zeye ayebwa abantu baburizo kandi abase kuramba tunga services za government.
Orutindo rukozerwe ruyambira abatura okutwara ibintu byabo mu katare. Umuganda bebembezi becanga cya ruhinde y'amashumu muri Metoma beteranire hamwe bakorishaze kandi bikirizana kugirira karumwe okutungura ekyanga kyabo. Ishaze eri rikiriwemu abebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe.
Tuyikirizana ngo tukorere hamwe abwentunguka akwa twaza kushanga twashanga Rinda South reale nkena kirwe inyuma ebintu byetu tukubyetegereza je ngenda kusima abebembezi bona bija
n'amakuru mabi uruguto bitogenza kora Rinda South kuzara kunjiri twatwara ngo mu budget yihanga rukija rwaburamu bamimba parliament na minister bitwine n'abandi bahemba jangu bahemba chikuratira kureba uko bakubasa ngaruko mu budget
no kusobuhereza abantu bitu na munonga nkegombora yanje yarehe eyinkurugamu etine mizi etine mashanyarazi etine ebintu nkebi
bashimire Ruhanga kushanganguza umahante bezamano mu ihanga ziri mu district ya Metoma nubwo buhereza buri kuburaburamo
Toma koko bano uhurra ngwito bitebe byona nito tubyine cyo kureberaho tuyine kitebe kikuru ntsima Ruhanga ahabwa kushanga tuyine deputy speaker wihanga ryona wa parliament yihanga ryona kandi tuyine na minister wa internal affairs mwene ko kurra ngwebe bitebe byo mu Metoma ushanga no covering Metoma
so nasima munonga kureba nguni itwe twagera hwisazi nkaba Rinda South kandi ekituriyo ntushaba munonga ngwisazi twagera nigiza kuretaho empindukana munonga omusamu leaders abari omuru Rinda South
bwanyuma y'urukiko bikirizangiye n'ishazeri okugumanira bahobora umwaka gasha kwa Abraham Muganzi na Ben Muhozi
mwibare tugunza muna makuru amarwaro mu district ya Kasese Bundubujo na Mbarara City gatungire byombo byo kucebera abakazi benda okureba abana okuba kuba bari baciri omunda ebyomebe kona birebirumu neco kucebera endwara za pressure kandi zibihirweyo ekitongore kiri gukorera hansi ya Mbarara University of Science and Technology.
Amarwara agahirwe byomebe garumo buyorohere center erukushango muri district ya Kasese Bundubujo General Hospital na Busaru Health Center ya Kana agabundubujo kandi muri Mbarara City amarwara agatungire byomebe garumo eryambara Regional Referral Hospital hamwe na Reproductive Health Uganda Clinic. Associate Professor Joseph Ngonzi orukura Medical School Yambara University nuwakwasiza amarwara gebyomebi kandi bagenderire kucendeze bizubu ebiryo mu marwara
twazula nti bano ba adolescents bano ba youth waliwo ebizibye bayitamu abamu bafuna embuto nga tebanaba kuweza myaka abafunye embuto teziri plan D so netutegeera nti waliwo information gap gye bayina so lwaleero okuvira mu project 4 waliwo TV screens zetusazeewo okuleeta wano ku Reproductive Health Uganda ne Kasese ne Bundubujo okusobola okuyamba amalwaliro ago gafune messages ze basobola okuwaayo eri abaana bano bategeere obulamu bwe balina okubeera nabwo obulamu obulungi.
Amalwaliro ebikozeso ebirumu digital dopplers ezokuchebera abaana baba bakiri munda na BP machines ezokulebera pressure y'abakazi abakuba binenda nangwana na TV zokuteekaho obutumwa obukuhereza na munonga eminyeto kureba ngo bayerinda
emyanya ezi hone hirwe za screen zirakozesebwe okwegesa eminyete miringo kwatirine no kumanya jamagara gabo no kwehara kuzoma bizubu ebiru kumara hamagara gabo
mwe wale bine bibaletera okufuna embuto ezitali planned mufune information esobola obayamba okubeera nga musoma okubeera nga mukola bulungi awo musobola okufuuka bana Uganda ab'omugaso
babahirwe byomebi basimire kitongole eki
kati TV eno egatuyamba kugonjola ebintu nga okusomesa abavubuka abakyala ab'embuto omuli n'abawala ku bintu ebyenjawulo abakyala experience bayitamu oba bye bayitamu gye bali eyo abafuna embuto nga bakyali.
The fetal dopplers are very important. They help us monitor how the baby is doing in utero, and it's more or less like a scan, because people always talk about going to a scan. The purpose is to see the well-being of a baby And now that the fetal Dopplers are there, the midwife can comfortably tell that the baby inside the mother is breathing well.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Sengendo Abdukarimu.
Webale Abdukarimu Sengendo twaza kumuraho tuyije necweka eca kabiri. Agarukurataho mbara kasese bundi bujo batungire ebyoma byo kucebera abakazi benda.
Mu fetal Dopplers zo kucebera abana babakiri mu nda.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Here's your chance to win school fees for your child for a whole year. Just pay school fees using Momo.
Kanderi zoba twatayira aba Honest Model Primary School Romuhoro Ibanda. Echaturetaha no kwasa omusinguzi witu wa school fees omwaka gona second term, third term na first term ya 2026.
Unganyo chance meza munonga ukurabansa surro mwaka gona mwenanya nagurukana atagorana azana ahabwo kusemerwa mukama abaherezo mu gisabambe.
Dial *165 *80 hash. Select option 2 for school pay. Select option 1 to pay school fees. Enter the student number and amount and approve the transaction. You are now entered a draw to win school fees for your child for a whole year.
In this sacred month of Ramadan, we reflect, we pray, we give, and we rest. As you observe Suhoor and stand in Tarawih, may your nights be filled with Sakina, your du'as be accepted, and your heart overflow with shukr. Let resting on rose-foam mattresses be part of your journey, so you wake up refreshed, ready for another blessed day of ibadah and kindness. Ramadan Kareem from
Rose Farm, a world of beautiful dreams.
Skylight Hotel, restaurant uhereza bwo muremba muri Mbarara City. Ahi barukereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, Rolex, shumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineona chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, echenyanja, muchamo, obushaza, akaru, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kande chokunywa. Nichigenderaho.
Hey, manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe. Aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City. Breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe. Pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kache aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete. Ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36 36 33.
Manager ogito wagito ko kama tumukidara kabatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu mareka turwo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngo okushara keke ni shamushanju nizeze zenyine byo ni shara keke tukazakunywa mbogo na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda nigende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje.
Uganda Police Force neyenda abanya Uganda b'emyaka 18 kusya aha myaka 25
kwehandikisa bakegita aha kitongore cy'ebyo kwerinda ekya polisi noyetengwa kubohereza senior ya kana obutarenga 2020 kandi ushikireje orujungu no kubara okushaba no handikira mukuru wa polisi ya Uganda photocopy yendanga muntu obushani bwawe bushatu ninga ebaraha ya LC1 chairperson LC3 na RDC ku Rugombo district yawe obitware aha kitebe kikuru cya polisi obutarenge 2021 by'ukwezi kwa kashate 2025 abakazi mwetabo mu kushaboku waba oyino bukugu omukutendekwa ebyemikono hamwe na driving permit nibyongera hemigisha yawe yo kuhamirwa mu polisi imwe abino bwegesebwa higuru tumushemerire kushaba
Rwashamire Vocational Institute itendekero ry'amashomo ga business na technical studies international diploma human resource management, public administration, guidance and counseling, computer science and English IT, records management, accounting and finance, business management, journalism, tourism, building construction, electrical installation, mechanics, plumbing hamwe n'agandi minji. Amashomaga gona ngabuzubwa ebitongore nka UBTEB, DIT hamwe na Makerere University. Rwashamire Vocational Institute twine in service, pre-service hamwe na short courses netushangwa Rwashamire Town Council aharuguto rwantunga mu Rukungiri kandi kwehandikisa nukugendo misho tera enamba zesimu 0 mwenda mukaga mwenda 0
Nyebiti kubyenda
Penkoni. Yakweha utamuyo mu mudu nokora ekikire wanyo Penkoni. Wanyo Penkoni no shumura kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinje. Noenda kuchamuka Penkoni.
Igenda yakintu cyo kunywa cyonka.
Penkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushisha nyishija. Penkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje. Teri kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa mutwe.
Sinza kutambura. Ngashimye de kumpenkoni ukakasi. Kwata nawe nywako.
Tunge chupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga. Iwo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi.
Penkoni wakinkorire.
Uganda College of Health Sciences Bwindi hamwe na Uganda Nursing School Bwindi ezirukushangwa Bwindi Kanungu nibakumanyisangu bine myanya aharyabo abarikwenda kutendekwa harengo rwa certificate om laboratory nursing hamwe na certificate om midwifery na rishobuzarisa diploma om clinical medicine diploma om nursing direct entry ahabwa extension program diploma in midwifery ahabwa extension program amasho aga certificate om laboratory diploma om clinical medicine hamwe na certificate om nursing gariyo ahabwa bucheka obwa scholarships amashomeraga gariyo ngatunguka okuba University ya African University of Science and Management okumanya birukucheraho terano tumushanju mukaga nshanju na munana 91
tuzi necyo kunywa kirungi nawe cyo nindebeka ngo nakikuza buri zoba nobunkuba mu office nintekwa kureba ngo ukirimu umukakiriyo abika yanjye nubacumanya ngo kituzi nekintu ekitashimiye kuba ncho buri mukayitu abandi kuba shahezi bakuza kugira ngo baza muza gym no mukuza kwirukanga nyowe nimba ubwirobwe abandi babanu basa kuronde binde byo kunywa nyowe ni ndeba ngo nyine kituzi yanjye mbandu kunywaho ushanga kandi nabaje munonga
kiniho kutancira nabyo ntinkashamo mu rugwabo musha tubuta kwa serese za igabotagurize kibanja hati nganje afutancira kare nabyo ntabana kana bihiro mashomero gabo hati bakagaruka kuruga nzihayo abana bakacenjinga amashomero go bagarakayo mbese hati igavunje ngambe n'ingi sima mu nyongera n'izindi uko hati nkeze zubatura mu Katare Kongo zibezige za Sasso ekikani baketa Sasso timwazireba mushanja amaze kuzitwara zibezige nkoko magana koko zizige nkoko nungi mbeni nyaramura
igarabu wejo tifama Sacco igabu eiziro kwera omukutungwire ntasiya yawe shanje butare chamuhunga bushenyi district ningo matajigitaga buheju na kanunka branches omuri buheju district na kagarama branch omuri kagarama town council ntungamo district tera noti mushanju munana mukaga noti 13 noti 2 Hayes recruitment experts jobs abroad n'amashemerwa menje nitutabarusi ababona abatungire visas kandi nitumanyisa abantu mwena ngw'emihendo yitu tugishazireho mpaka ahari shilingi miliyoni 2.9 visa na air ticket byona bihwire kandi nituchenda abantu binji abashija n'abakazi abujo n'abishiki emyaka 21 okwikariya na 5 okweracha ichenyonyi Dubai emirimo ka customer service airport security aviation stewards check-in agents landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners okweyandisa nokwabusha free registration amataji git gona esimu noti mushanju ina note emwe 2 3 4 5 6 ninga noti mushanju ina 5 ninga noti mushanju ina not rukumi.
Zamuna makuru omwebembezi w'ihanga General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni na Minisita w'ebyobwegyese Mama Janet Museveni baterefuka yo kutembura okwa Bunyoro University ahitake ryahirweyo Canon Dr. Henry Wamani omutawuni kante ya Buhimba omu district ya Kikube.
University ya Bunyoro neza kutemburwa hitaka lya hikigana eryahirwe Dr. Canon Henry Wamani omucyaro cya Nyantwe omuru Buhimba East Ward omutawuni kanso ya Buhimba omuru district ya Kikube.
Mama na mzee tukwenda kubasima muno habo kuija ekiro kino
ejo kujikaho notambura kilomita 1.5 okuruga haruguto rwa Hoima Fort Portal Chenjojo
anga atugarukiremu esara yaitu twasabire abo kuba kine kintu nikekyo twayenda gantu tuereze yitaka university government erekirize eritwale nabo ekyo kiro kintu kusima mukama kandi tumugarure kitinisa
kwenda kusima muno president wetu Yoweri Kaguta Museveni kwenda kusima mama minister wetu education kandi facility habwa okurora nti bantu Bunyoro Public University habukwaka kusanga batagrantingire Bunyoro Public University ntantu tukwairo hanyuma nyina kusima Dr. Wamani na family.
Dr. Wamani yashobora kunobaza kubanza okukozesa huitaka lya hika 20
government nkabangiherizo obulyo ngagerezo obulyo enkora yemirundi ebire kwekwane yenda ukora yokubanze kabanje werata kwetaga consection ikakiona bakusako semeza uga yika 20 for free staina ukinti jona staina sente nibatandike ndirimo yabo then hanyuma yemyaka nka 8 ni hamwe imiti yange mu ikakinane zikuba zisigaire ningitunda
handru kirungi byakutaga obukama bwa Bunyoro kitara nagira ngo abantu obucweka obutonyezo 8 harigana nubo bine degree za university mu Bunyoro yona ahabwibura rya university ya government omushicweka
inamba ziri haikuru muno batunja kugambira nti umwaka 2014 data erohe kuruko mu Uganda Bureau of Statistics kwolekya nti only 0.8% of people above 18 years have a university degree. Ege namba iri hansi muno.
Tuje tutandike kuombeka, tuje tutandike kuteka yo business abo kwa university enyumira mu kabuga no kusemera kuba yo social amenities inakuba ya masanyarazi amaizi nuko gamba abantu banguhirwe abakusoma evening kikumesa nakola se inakolebwa banguhibe kutemba pikipiki kuruga mtaoni baje basoma evening
kere tutalibana muno mbintu byo kusoma abana university ziri hayihiyo benosanga Fort Portal Kampala kandi kitubere expensive.
Minister w'ebyobwegyese Mama Janet Kataha Museveni omukugamba kwe yasima akomutano eka ya Dr. Wamani ahabwo kwayitaka hikigana nuko kumushabiro buhangazi emigisha okurugo wa Ruhanga.
Your Excellency, in a special way, also let me recognize now Canon Henry Wamani and his family, a patriotic Ugandan who have sacrificially gifted this public university with their 100 acres of land upon which the campus for this university will be established.
Mama Janet Museveni nagira ngo government etireho biliyoni 15 omwaka gw'ebyesente ogu okurebeka ngo emirimo yatandika.
As it is written in the Bible in Proverbs chapter 11 verses 25, it says in quotes, "A generous person will prosper. Whoever refreshes others will be refreshed himself." Today's breaking of ground for the construction of a public university in Bunyoro region is a testament to your vision of establishing a public university in each zone based on the old colonial districts at the time.
This is going to be a game changer, Your Excellency, for the development of our region. There is nothing, Your Excellency, that has united us than this project. I'm telling you. And so, Your Excellency, I want to take this opportunity on behalf of everybody to thank you.
President omukugamba kwe yashobora ngo bagira mu bwebembezi bakashanga hariho makerere yonka eyabire neshomesa ebyo bushaho nabona kwe kucwamo okutandikaho amatendekera gandi.
When the NRM came into government, there was only one public university, Makerere University. And we said Makerere University was graduating 80 doctors a year. According to the WHO, you need one doctor for every 500 people. Uganda, with a population of 46 million people, needs 92,000 doctors. Therefore, with graduating 80 doctors a year, you can see there was no hope of fulfilling the tasks.
President Museveni yagambira abantu ngo bine kucumanya okubura ikintu kino obwire bwacyo.
The issue of prioritization, doing what you can afford at the right time. You have been talking about timing. Those people have been telling you that NRM, Ebeverwe, Tekfayo, those are your enemies. They want Uganda to they don't understand prioritization. When we were fighting, that's exactly what we did. Ubu mukurora abaserikare baitu nubekara umuji bw'ebinyasi. Tumbarora abaserikare bamahe bekara umuji bw'ebinyasi. Beto umuji bw'ebinyasi takuteri isaso kafa.
Yagamba ngo abantu ba Bunyoro bino kukozesa amani okureba ngo abana ba Bunyoro bashomera mu university.
Now, because of the economy has grown much more, and we have handled a number of other issues, since some few years ago, it was the time to implement a public university policy in Bunyoro.
University neza kuba university ya government y'ikumi kandi President Museveni niwe yagiraganisize amakuru agagasha kwa Ambrose Nwagabakatoto.
Bale Ambrose Katoto ishomero rya St John's Nyabwina rukumire omutindo gukoraje bwanyuma yo kugaruka bakakoraje ebyasiniye ya mukaga aba basingire munonga science aha abana bashatu bino bonero 19.
Enyuma ho TV West tukakwereka ishomero rya St John's Nyabwina uko rutwirene rukoraje kuyiharitandiko mu mwaka gwa 1989 kandi ubwo hatubongire koraje munongo mbegezo bya siniya ya mukaga ecemiza beje baceru kushoma
inokushemerwa kwa mani ahabwa beje bitu abinkumi 2 ko basize kusinga bigezo byabo na maxinungi na munonga science subjects singirwe kurungi mu isomero iteri tugo kubanza kurekana imyaka ihingwire isomero y'utubene performing aje on science subjects
ninsima ruhanga ubabasise kandi olnitwe arikuza kutubasa tukakora nga tukarenzya ahibabire basi
abeje bashatu babasayansa bihireyo boneri 19 kandi babiri nibatwara amashomo agara mu PCM stroke ICT PM stroke ICT na REM stroke ICT kandi ago bashira higuru bonjire kwishomerera umuhimbo
abwo nshomesa yabo nungi na nabashomesa babo barungi abo guma mbatwataraho munonga mbatereza buyamba kutereza na no studies zitu library ni nungi munonga laboratories ziriho kandi cyaba zero kundetanu nahabwa performance nungi kandi impamya no kujambo teka change nje negumane yonja ndungi kandi
ahishomereri abana 29 bari yahiguriye boneri 15 kandi na mushanje bari yahiguriye boneri 10 ekiri kubahindura abasinguzi
tugumire twineze max zo mu science kumara ubwire buringwa imyaka 15 tusinga amashomero go muri shema no mu region kumara ubwire buringwa rero tuka physics na mathematics icyo cyo tukacheza isiyona netumanya ngo mwana wa mureta St John's Nyawina naba yahikire yo admission ngo yatwara science itwecho no registering ngo mwana yagerata yahika
bano nyino kushemererwa kuhango munonga ahabwa abana bitu mabara koraje bigezo bakabisinga olevo zamba bakabikoraje bahikaje munonga hati mbwenu kandi na elevo ninga sine ya mukaga nabo bakozereje munonga bana bashatu bukubanza batungi 19 abakurata abana mukaga batungi 18 nabandi bini 17 nabandi 16
Biamaka Constantine uri mukuru w'ishomero rya St John's Nyabwina nagira ngo bina amasiko mingi okwija gukora kurungi kucerana na
kandi okusomero kwito kuturaho akuba kusinga kw'abana asine ya kanana ya mukaga no muze gwitu nekintu ekitukurwanira kureba ngo buri mwaka abana basinga kandi bayongeraho kukira buriya
icyo kubanza ni isima abana basine ya mukaga umwaka gwabiranye nabi kugira ngo bashyireje bigezo byabo kandi okike bigezo byabo no kugira ngo nibakwatanise n'abashomesa ari St John's ntwebembeze micwe abana bitu bine micwe nibakonsultinga abashomesa bagendera y'abashomesa babahereza
gasha kwa Sheikh Abdulatif
Sheikh abazire abari kushomeseza ishomero rya Talent City Junior School bacero mu kutangara bwa nyuma yo kutwara abana ahishomero bakashanga ngo bari kurarayo director abatorire nyeciro
aho twashyira hishomero rya Talent City Junior School twashanga abazira bari kushomeseza abana bade bashobangirirwa bwa nyuma yo kutwara abana hishomero bakashanga abana bandi batariyo okurigira harabamwe habashomesa director w'ishomero John Bosco Nuwampa aizoro mu ishomero shankitano ziciro yabajana ngo bakome byaba batwara mu ishomero rindi ahabwo kubanguranduro damurihize
yatusubiza o meeting yaja ngatima mazagamba echo mukuteka teka anshongeje n'umugere bamwe kwatabana tukabafura tukabiyo mwishomere tukabateka mwishomereri azo ni mastaff mukagenda nabo then muheza kufikayo kabashashire sente zanyu to nito amuje ati yatumukubasa kushashira tujiryaha mukateze sente tukabona kugenda nimo yaje watakwenda ngo ojene nito sente tuziro
oguyagera ngo babire bagarutire shahanka mushanjwe gwecuro kufurira ibindi bintu bitrandro diabaremesa
baye batiseka kashamushanye nene batigira nkiza zecuro bajanga baza kwiza things baziyaho geto bagiyaho kubanga gisenga baronde abantu 20 abarije bakakora ebyo ebe barawore babyata gore mu rugana babutemba gore kuzakatuni zona mbenu babishangore ishomego kubarishangire babe nuko barisigangu warenje bibayombekeraha nibayo bagishenyere bagiye wende basigisha mu ngo kubarishangire
twagambaho na landlord w'ishomerero watugira ngo abire namubanje $5,220 gukanda yo Serena abahandikira ariko baraganisa ko bashashura ubutarenga 218 kwezi oku gukanda hona hariho na landlord ndijo heriro umwanyogo na uruko babanje $8,000,000
the information shaitan niwe banterire shaitan zecero bakungamira ngo mushije yatoro director w'ishomerero so tugenda mbanja rent so nija sende kuziremere yashara mu kitoro then yatwara abana aba boarding ecuro kumanya abana ishomerero yabatiremo then n'abazire bijaho mu kasheshe ishomero mu interior function
abazire nubashaba bibyo kwerinda hamwe nabibyo bwejeso kubahwera bakatunga abana babo hamwe n'ibintu byabo
mbera kazanshobora icyama n'abazire twenda kumanya abana aba boarding na nitwa batine fayiro z'abana ituratani cyo twara abana amashomera gana ntira kino ku reports please bazawire yo kubara tanta handi mutani bashanga bashomesa abarona bo bashobirwe so mwe nabo abebyo bweje so murimbarra batuyambe barondo mushija ayijagarire hishomero ningatereze sente zito ate fayiro z'abana bintu by'abana byo kushomeramo bibyo mu ishomero tukumanye turariye tuma abana biteje baratandikira
twagezaho gama na director w'ishomerero ya Hasimuze konka zona zaba zitaro polisi yaiko mwanyo gubiti yaenda kugambira ha kamera zitu ubu bagumize ngo baciriyo nubacondoza amakuraga gashakwa Aidan Bataringaya
webare Aidan Bataringaya reka tugaruke tumureho netugaruka
Oino mukoronke mbaga yo kugitwa ukwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM nemikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera ubuhereza bw'ururengo rwensi yona ubwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents zebike bindi byona akasente kenshiko tina events nibashangwa ahacombeko echa Central Market room nambi 17 ahari Mbaguta Street omurimbarara city okumanya birukiraho tera noti mushanju mukaga atano n'itano chenda na mwenda ananeina tina events nito twenko muri burengero rw'izoba abino buhereza bwo murembe nitwakira umuri rwambara sweets umwanya bwo bugwaje no buteka umurimbarara city hati twigwireho conference hall iyo mutindo gwa higuru nibyo kwejinisa omunchiko nka projectors no kurire kitongore no indo mwanya go gukorera muza seminar board meetings nebindi umwanya ni rwambara sweets conference center twine bishenje byo kuraramu ibyo mutindo gwa higuru munonga single double hamwe na executive suites ebara yo mutindo restaurant n'aba chef baronje munonga nitshangwa ari proti 14 Mosque Road Mbarara City esimu noti mshanje noti 3 58 nshanje na mukaga anana munana ninga noti mshanje itanina noti emwe hashatu nemwe nshanje nina katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kelya mutindo okurugeri izoba abantu banje tibarigaruka kugire nakwa mutima byaguma binamashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya katochi mugume munyweco katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kelya mutindo katochi ina chama chayo muhute katochi yelya mutindo Katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi teri kuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho.
Mommy,
yes,
at school abana babane everyone crunching
nange ku mulimu nga nkola when I'm watching my kazanyo
dabye mbaga ya daddy
anti ku highway nga mvuga sisumagire echo shua
katinage bampakingire
Honey, mwana muwe. Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Musei kwa badomo lwa katoli kundongozi na
nanywedde kano ka Luvera Chauda drink. Kino kigaji kyaffe kyennyini kati ndi katyebule. Mutozo, okododa kololo okotyonguka kwata kano.
Muzeyi kano bakayita batya?
Pineapple soda drink. Kakamudwa mu nanasi.
Bojo.
Mutozo, va mu bya bojo tugende tulabe Kakiga.
Bangambye omubiri munafunafu Kakiga talina maanyi.
Kakiga bangambye tolina maanyi.
Ye, naye nenfuna ow'amaanyi. Butamira ku soda drink. N'abawala nabo banywa obutamu.
Nitukwanjulira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. Ishomero lyonka erikyasingireyo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aha rurengo rwa certificate na diploma omu diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Lero bagaruka bashomesa certificate in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba nk'omuntu library ey'omurembe kompyuta z'ekika ky'ahaiguru kandi eby'emizano bakabiteeka mamanika kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry ey'obwegyese na ministry of health kandi biine bus rugogoma ey'okutambuza abeegi ebyombeko eby'omurembe hamwe n'omwanya rugogoma gw'okushomeramu ebitabo ogurikureebeka kurungi nirishangwa aha nguudo nyeigendwa eyambarara isingiro odakakiro mu tahuni ya Kaberebe okumanya ebirikukiraho noti mushanju ibiri kaga na mushanju ashatu n'ibiri mukaga nemu. Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. We strive for quality health.
Mukamanzi mbadde gulide mukazi wange.
Glow Cosmetic Products okuyoyota ensusu beekansa balina Glow Hand Body Cream, Glow Herbal Petroleum Jelly, Glow Perfumed Petroleum Jelly, Glow Junior Jelly, Glow Hair Jelly, Glow Hair Pomade, Glow Hair Conditioner, Glow Hair Shampoo, Glow Hair Relaxer, Glow Pure Glycerin ne Glow Baby Powder. Ifune mu maduuka wonna ne mu supermarkets.
Man, valet took forever. There's no valet here. Who took my coat? That could have been bad.
Mountain Dew. Do the Dew.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 69.
Olina omutwe oguluma, emimiro egiruma, ebinywa, amannyo oba omusujja. Waliwo Kiramo Plus. Kiramo Plus lw'amaanyi ku bulumi n'okuyamba ku mbuto eziruma. Asangibwa mu maduuka agatunda eddagala wonna mu ggwanga. Kiramo Plus takkirizibwa baana abali wansi w'emyaka 12. Obulumi bwe bweyongera, genda olabe omusawo.
Uganda Christian University, Bishop Balamu University College, Kabale, nibakweta okuleta okushaba kwawe ahabwa amashomo g'enshuro yo kwa katano omwaka ogwo. Amashomo ni gaga: Bachelors of Business Administration, Procurement and Logistics Management, Social Work and Social Administration, Public Administration, Arts in Journalism and Communication, Information and Technology, Theology and Divinity, Arts with Education, Science with Education, Bachelor of Education Secondary, Bachelor of Education Primary, Higher Education Certificate. Amashomaga galiga harurengo rwa PhD, Masters, Degrees, Diploma na Certificate okuruga omu UBTEB. Beine byo kwera beji okukoraje nka Computer Lab na Libraries za famu na Studios. Website ni www.bbuc.ucu.ac.ug. Esimu ni noti mushanju munana mwenda 11 kinana neitano nshanju neitano.
Uganda fire, Ediba fire, Ababoda fire, Mtiani fire, Nagode fire, fire fire, Chileka banda fire, Prince fire, Barara Masaka fire, Abat taxi fire, fire fire.
Uganda
Buy your tickets through MTN Momo on *165*20# and come support Uganda Cranes. Proudly brought to you by MTN.
With MTN, our football
and our support
is unstoppable. We are unstoppable. We are good with MTN. We are what? Unstoppable. We are what? Unstoppable. We are good with MTN. We are
Mwami, waza kurgaho yejeko. Hona mazima nyewe nkabanda. Reba umusoro gwanje kugurukusha. Agarahanga taro cintatiro umusoro gw'ibicorogo. Burikiri sajona nchitiremo. Murana kabumwe abazenyo nabo mukasheshe. Konka reba umusoro gwa murano rebo gwanje. Nkakugambira ngo mukakapere nandoga konka wayanga hatu wachireba.
Hata bichoni byo bikuteze nduru no yabantamira mo yabawe bichori. Mukakapere mushanje nakosije musa cha crop champion. Taro muhinjo migandom arukweza atakoze jimusa cha crop champion. Umuhinji wen kose jimusa cha crop champion abashubuzi mucanje a Joseph Farm Supplies a Kings Plaza omishoga Coppers Complex eduka namba G1 jimusechi ni shango maduka gona omwihanga. Crop Champion, the farmer's best choice.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Barara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Hey kids, we're going to count today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enjoy 5 ways to love your baby, smoothen and protect your baby's skin with 5 new gentle formulations. Original to nurture your baby, aloe vera to protect your shibubu skin. Cocoa butter to comfort your pinku, mild scent to soothe your little one, and avocado to soften your buju skin. Available in all supermarkets, retail shops, and cosmetics shops near you. Move it, baby jelly. All day confidence.
Umburanwa hii nebitaba by'amizi umbuzaruro gwesiri harimo mushija gutegereze kukwata konko tatina hakuba hati hizire Mr. Vaxa omukunu w'amani wo mushija gwesiri emyaka minje hingwire omushija gwesiri nigumwa handi waresikize yo kwerarekeza amagara abana bitu abaryansi y'emyaka 5 niguba maramani kandi gutamagara gabo aharuteze konka hati government etireho buryo bwo mubazi bwo mushija omubazi bwo mushija obwa hati nugujemwe mu dozina aha abana bameze mukaga amezi mushanju 8 hamwe na mezi 18 omubazi ogu niguho bukumi bw'amani aha mushija gw'amani oboteberwa ngo kujemesa kwa burkire ni kongera kuma bana indwara nyingi zamani bururugemo bwino mugasho tayarirwa rero kuri heri izoba otunje bohereza bwo kujemesa omubazi bwo mushija Mr. Vaxa no gwabusha ni murungi kandi guruho okucinjira abana bito mushija iwe noza ko yayo kurwana so mushija urukweza yo dozi na zona kumanya ukiraho teresimu ya ministry y'amagara itari yo kushashurura eya noti 8 noti emwe noti mukaga obutumwa obu ni bukikibwaho ministry y'amagara.
Kankwanjurire St. Lawrence Academy Schools and Colleges amashomero gomurembe agariya mutindo gwensiyona garimu St. Lawrence Citizen High School Horizon Campus iryabishibonka hariho London College of St. Lawrence hariho na St. Lawrence College Palais ejione gita honor Faransa bina na St. Lawrence High School Crown City na St. Lawrence Citizens High School Creamland Campus bine the Academy St. Lawrence Budo gine ebyo bwegese ebyo murembe abashomesa barya mutindo gwensiyona hotebirwe na standby generators swimming pools zo murembe ebyo kurya n'uburaro ebyo murembe buzima amashomero aga St. Lawrence Gona ni Gashangwa hari Masaka Road.
Abami aba Prudenso atuyambe nnyo batutendeka nnyo era kyakamwa kwogera nafuna accident kigere kino kyakutuka obwivu bwe nafuna mu Prudenso nasobola okwekolako ng'abaami ba Prudenso bwe baatuyigiriza ogenda okutuuka mu ddwaliro ebbombo nga n'abasawo bambuuza owaayi oli musawo ngamba asa siri musawo ne wabula aba Red Cross baatuleetera abasajja aba Prudenso kubanga tebaatutendeka gafa aba bodaboda okubeera
Prudential. Let's live life together. Tuli nawe.
Amakuru g'ebyemizano empaka z'amashomero ga siniya za district ya Kamwenge zitandikire kurungi kandi timu y'ishomero ya Kamwenge and Vocational Secondary School nibo basingire empakezi. Kamwenge esingire Millennium SS na goli shatarusha umupira gw'abishiki.
Very much TV West. The Saccos are moving on well. We are prepared as a team, as Campus Telecom Vocational School. Us being the host, of course, we are set and ready for the matches. And so far, the games that we have played with Michindo, whereby we have won it with 2-0, and that is enough for us.
The post-primary zitu za Kamwenge district kandi zatandikaje munonga nga groups 5 ezitu atandika nazo hariho group ya Kamwenge hariho group ya Kamwenge Second and Vocation hariho group ya Chabenda hariho group ya Mwizi
Gebyemizano nugo twinire ekireke tukusima munonga ogumere nitwa TV West. Serena Nuwamanya Sande Brian na timu ya Agacencwire twakora nayo ntubendeze kurara n'obusingi.
Eshaha za bishatu z'ekiro na
You can now get all the chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks. Kubei Dondolo. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000. Or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100 *21# and select daily or use the My MTN app.
Okumbireba ne kuchibwaho Kituze Farm Company Limited. Tina Events.
Program okumbireba musibireje basebo nabanyabo abakikuru banje abakundeba. Yes, abisinjiro mwena ndio yenda kwaletera Kituze. Kutandika Hamairina mpaka Kashumba nkwate ntiyo ruborogota umundi nzimasha ayi bitine kinyamuyanja. Murache kuba mwatunga Kituze gachupana shilingi 10. Tina Events ababine mega tent season zozo kubasa kukora bakakoreza decoration bakakoreza boards bakakoreza all types of carpets all types of chairs standby generator mbereta begarzayo nabwecho aza nobutinto buchebo bwini wano bwenda babukereza konka twenda twebembeze mega tent because it is the way to go. Yes, Mbarala City, Central Market Building, room number 17. Iduka yabo no bashanga mbaguzane byoma by'amashanyarazi. Good. Tusemeire abazire abashomesa amaramzo politicians public speakers abichikwetagisa kugambira abantu when to save. Omuntu ashemere kusevinga akageza akasevinga kurga myaka yarga akushoma ka myaka 25 kuika myaka nka 10 save mpereze kubugana munywani wanje ine myaka 5 ntibishika wabuzire okazati nyonka zo mucyaro kuhinga ati nkagure enso zezo ati mpinzire pine ati yaika ngahakujukwe pine imyaka 5 ati nka Yesu imyaka 5 wahinga pine ngatoko omuntu wa pine kunanka nati myaka 20 so nyumese noza ko ene change neta nazi change neta no koreki abantu mbetaga kuba duva imyaka 5 abire pine atkindi banaguruze na murundo gumwe ati ndaba ndonde cyo gukora imyaka change neta ati change neta no bono uruho buwa borho no koraki at 75 nane byo birwara biroho nane soko ryo nehinduka so ntumanchi manyisango tara takamanyire charum yes nabwo let people save as as possible ngambira abana banyu baraga university mubatera amasomo okozere nokora bank ye nokora activity nokora mbukede nokora vision kora tungo yo mushara ogura kabanja ogura yo poroti na nkeji chegegwa ogura yo mwanyo byare mukarutusa ogende ogura ya kabanja okore chineke whatever at that tender age bagure so that kabara ise myaka nkeji ya munywano wanje 5 because myaka 5 no bure myaka 5 kuma nkanyoko nkubura ya meza 5 yes because in November nza kuba nimpumba yeah kana government neta chimpa mushara yesu nza kubambya ha Montebe ndisho and now nchwani manyisango oyinokora because at my age wahora nyino mwana w'imyaka 35 hati nane ni tandika kubyara payini nuwe mpani omwana w'imyaka 35 ashimira kwa na saving nyuti nshimira kwa ni saving ro mwana wanje w'imyaka 3 kana woni njya nakira kore kumbere hati ni ukangambire Brian wahora myaka 35 ni unono ye saving nikagure nangano tidadi we bare kugura ebyo nimbuto mazina ganye ntiko kubirya ntakafire oyerwano now hati nchiwenche manyisa ki ungu abana mubegese okusevinga bachero bato bayiko myaka 5 nkaga babemba tandika kwiyayo batandika because after 60 you would be very lucky in ownership no za pressure za shukari za asma emugongo amajuga shasha I mean tokabura karwara kafutera kache kwankaka kwetaga kumera no bosa kugure bine otunge chito bosa kutunge za zero grazing bosa kutunge mpuno no bosa kutunge nkoko ebinte bukwereze sente mangu katukosa kwa chise myaka nkaga ukaraba ukazom project imyaka 20 wawe apana to wacha mukwenkubereba iwe no bireba